after the show?
I'm so tired. Can you imagine 7 shows? Pero ang maganda, first and last scene naman. Di ba perfect?
Thank you. Joya. How were you after the show? Pagod. Saya. Perfect. Coach, how were you after the show?
Masaya, napagod. Halong-halo. Ganun.
Uy, basta pa yun. Daryl, how are you after the show?
Kakarating ko lang, hindi ko alam.
Happy ka naman? Satisfied ka kahapon? Nick, how are you after the show?
I'm good po.
Kamusta ka naman, Ani?
Napagod na si Ani.
Ramoncito, how are you after the show?
Late na, pero kain mo na.
How are you after the show?
Masakit ang katawan.
Happy ka naman?
Siyempre,
Satisfied?
100%.
Lodi, James, how are you after the show?
Wala lang.
Ay, ang gwapo nito eh.
Kamusta kayo?
How are you after the show, Coach?
Napaka-peaceful and grateful and tired.
Sir Briggs, how are you after the show?
Well, I feel so happy and tired and alam mo talaga yun. I'm so happy and masakit ang katawan.
Because I believe...
Paying alaksan please.
Bawal alaksan.
Or medical.
Pero ako sa wala dito. Yaya Bells, how are you after the show?
After the show, broken heart. Pero happy naman.
Kamusta ka kahapon?
7 shows. Paldo.
Congrats!
Ganda. How are you after the show?
Thank you.
May buhok pa ba? May buhok
Hindi ako ready.
May buhok pa na din.
Saka na.
Mga sir, how are you po after the show?
Agad. Kaya ba na?
Sino sa inyo yung nag-spotlight sa akin?
Wala daw PM.
Sino nag-spotlight sa akin? Seryoso. Ang galing mo po. Joya, ito yung nag-spotlight sa akin. Very good to.